Hello Prime Coders, welcome back to Prime Coding. I'm Aditya Mishra and in today's video, we'll talk about Cognizant interview experience where 15 question is technical theory question, programming question is 5 and HR question count is 5. So in total, they asked 25 question guys and you need to solve these particular problems in just 40 minutes. Yes, in the interview they told you need to your interview duration will be around 30 to 40 minutes. You need to take count of all the questions. So this is the great interview experience that I got, and the duration is 40 minutes as well as the location is Hyderabad. Okay, the source, if you talk about, I got this whole interview experience on my Instagram page. If you have not followed, do follow it out, and if you have any doubts and anything that you want to tell, you can reach out to me on Instagram that this guy did. So what it is all about, how many types of question we'll see in the chunks, and you might be wondering, Aditya, what is the actual role that he got interviewed for? Firstly, let's see the questions, then you and me will together see for which particular role that all of these questions were asked to him, and probably it would be highest, isn't it? We'll see in the end. Okay, so the very first, which is technical theory question, starting with what is polymorphism, advantages of encapsulation with examples. So polymorphism, try to give a simple definition with a real-time example included, as well as do have the hands-on experience, or I would say the hands-on experience of writing the code snippet as well. Because in this particular interview, the interviewer has pen paper into his hand. So anytime they can tell you, okay, if you're telling the definition of polymorphism, it is henceforth that you can able to write the code too. So do know how to write a code in the favorite programming language. Let's talk about advantages of encapsulation with examples. Okay, so examples are important if you talk about any pillars. Okay, so the example should include the real-time examples, because if you say these types of example, it will give some weightage in your interview performance too. Okay, so what is the difference between hierarchical and multi-level inheritance? Include diagram. Now paper is in hand, you need to show the diagram too, to make things easy to understand too, and to able to understand yourself, isn't it? Because when people are telling by watching walls and the interviewer face, they do get nervous and their thought process is not that clear. But if you write the thing on paper, your thought process will be clear. Okay, so difference between this super keyword and why do we need a constructor in Java? So basic question constructor is an auto called function which is there in any of the class, but this keyword, super keyword, extend keyword, or final keyword, or there are also finally keyword, finalize keyword. So the keywords which are most important, which have some weightage in any of the concept, you need to go through it. Okay, so this super we know to use the parent class methods, attributes, we can use super this to specifically point towards any attribute or any variable. So which exceptions have you worked with? Exceptions means, as you know, finally is a keyword which basically used in a try catch block. So any type of exception case where you have used this particular keywords or topic, you can list here, you can need to tell. Okay, now asset property question, and specific to the D stands for durability. What is actually do, how the scenario, the durability works. Okay, so you need to tell about everything, and as I told, give the examples or the real-time example as well. Okay, how to retrieve record from data in less time, indexing. Okay, if the data is so hard or so big, you need to apply some good optimization technique, and one of the technique is indexing, which will help you to find the data in very less time. Okay, what are HTML5 semantic tags not present in earlier version? So see, basically there are many tags has been introduced recently, so you should go through that, aside figure type of tag, there are many type of tag. But yes, if you have HTML CSS in your resume, you need to go through all kind of tags. Okay, let it be doc type, it would be link, meta, the new tag, the rare tag, the unique tag. All these tags are the direct question that all of the interviewer are asking to the any candidate who is mentioning HTML, CSS, JavaScript in their project. Definition of canvas tag, we all know, where you can draw something on the screen. In the HTML5 we need to talk about, it's a tag. Difference between div and section tag, which is an easy question which tests the candidate whether he did the project or not. Because if you know about div and section, then only you will able to create some multiple boxes in your website. It shows that you know how to build this particular project, or have you built it. So ID selector, class selector in CSS. So very good. This is in tag, which is basically used in HTML. So what is factorial, what is Fibonacci? As this candidate already got multiple type of questions, so they have not uh, drag these questions also on the paper. But you might be wondering, Aditya, what type of questions? I am very curious. So I will tell you, have patience. But before moving to that, I will tell you is, before joining Cognizant, you should know how the Cognizant work culture is, whether you should join or not, whether the increment procedures are there, whether how the Cognizant work inside, how the promotion cycle work inside, is that company is best fit or not. Because there are multiple videos present on the YouTube, but you need to find the best mentor who will guide you for free. Isn't it for free? So how you can do it is, so on the screen you can see TopMate website, where a tool is called a Hito, which will help you to find the best possible mentor. So you can just write your prompt here. If you write, you will end up landing on this particular page. Okay, so I wrote, like, suggest me any software engineer who worked in Cognizant and who has free to 200 rupees mentor fees. So you can see I got a Cognizant service now developer. So if I click on his profile, the starting range is just 49, and on top of that, I will also let you know, as you can see, for 30-minute meeting, he's just charging 5 rupees, guys. So in 5 rupees, you will get to know about all the problems. Okay, how the Cognizant work, what is inside work, what is the internal thing, how the promotion cycle work, everything that you love to. So you just need to confirm the details. And if you gone through the below link, you will be able to add the coupon code. And on the YouTube industry, no one can provide you this high level coupon code, which is Aditya 20% straight discount on this particular order. And if you not get uncheck this recording, you will end up having 4 rupees. Pay it and get to know about everything. Otherwise, go for free bookings, because he suggested us a lot of list. So free options are also available in this particular programmer analyst as Cognizant. If you click, there are free availables. Okay, but let's say if you want to have a free mock interview, okay, so this is an Aditya bot, you can see here. You just need to click on start. It will test your coding skills, like all the theoretical skills, for 10 to 5 minutes. Then he will tell you the feedback too. It's totally free. You can just check it out. So book your session and get all the knowledge right away. The link would be in the description. Check this out. So coding questions. So in the coding questions, he got palindrome code, where you need to check whether the string is palindrome or not. So you need to know how you can reverse a string, either using full either using full for loops or using two pointer approach. So you should be able to tell that. Okay, and SQL query for finding second highest salary. Let it be second highest, 78th highest, 100th highest, or 1000th highest. You should be able to tell, because this concept uses offset and limit. If you use this particular thing, you will be able to get any type of salary in that particular table. Okay, so you need to tell. So anagram of this string, which means whether this string is an anagram of this particular string. Whether, let's say, if my name is Aditya, so Adi is an anagram of Aditya or not, because from this string only I find out the substring, which is an anagram. So yes, for this particular test case, the answer would be yes. How to insert another column in a table? Simple insert type of thing you need to write. The query, everything has to be right on the paper, guys. It is not that you are telling verbally. Okay, everything you should have a hands-on experience of it, so that without doing any errors, you will be able to write everything. So logical problem. People do say that in mock interview, whenever we or my teammates and asks an aptitude question or logical question, sir, why you are asking aptitude question, why you are asking logical question? If they are really asked in interview, see, they are asked. Okay, uh, in the type of TCS and QT interviews, in Cognizant, in Capgemini, they asked you any puzzle based, any logical based. Although they also asked the aptitude problem. One of the candidates from TCS and QT, he told, they asked me about aptitude question straight away. So here they asked him a logical reasoning problem. So please have a look into it. Have a good grip on logical, because in their online assessment, you might go through the aptitude section too. So yes, these are the 5 coding questions, and you need to done in just 40 minutes, as well as only 20 question has been covered. Still 5 more question has been left, which is HR questions. HR question is, are you okay with night shift? Are you ready to relocate? Guys, I know most of the people are not able or not ready to relocate to any location. But in interview, you need to say, yes, I am. Every question, you need to sell yourself. Don't say no. Don't show your negativity there. you're open to anything. Okay, because mostly high girls used to say that we are not open to relocate, it would be better, I'm not open to the night shifts. You should say, because security will be provided by the company. They say if company is providing me security, then only I will working with the company in the night shift. This is not the case. They will provide you. You should say yes, I'm open to work at any time zones. Okay, so if given a direct technologies other than Java, will you work with it to check your adaptability in the team or not? Any questions for me? Okay, so interviewer ask any question from me, where you can ask about work culture, about the anything that you love to ask, which should be positive, which should show the curiosity inside you that you want to join this company or not. Okay, so might be people ask me tips and preparation material. So be clear with your OOPS concept most of the time. 1 to 3 interview experience I found, which this one is the best one that I believe. Practice database optimization technique and query writing. Query writing is most important. Many times in many Cognizant interview, they asked write queries as well as the optimization technique. Brush of logical reasoning and problem solving skills. Be confident in answering HR question related to flexibility and relocation. The video is already there on my channel, although the name is starts for TCS, but it contains all type of template that you can take use of. Okay, but having said that, you can watch this crash course interview series, which is available for free, guys. No one will provide you. It's a high quality video. You can see the views too. Most asked technical questions you can just watch. It will help you out to gather all the knowledge that SQL interview. Just forget about the name, guys. It is not specific to TCS. All the information has been gathered together to create this particular video. Okay, so please watch the DBMS. As you can see, it is helpful. The OOPS one, the operating system and computer network that I recently uploaded, this will help you out to prepare for your upcoming interview. But after preparing it, it is of no use if you're not able to explain in a proper manner. So for that, come to Prime Coding website, because on this website will transform your interview opportunity to the offer letter, and you can make your parents proud, because a single rupees is not wasted. Will provide you 60 hours of comprehensive interview sessions. Okay, mock interview, you just need to come on Cognizant. See, 60 minutes of coaching interview would be provided, how to crack it, because the people who are taking it would already crack big product based companies in their placements. Tailored tech prep for Cognizant roles, HR interviews and guidance for best practices, expert led and one-to-one mock interviews. Support will be also given to you. Mentoring session will also given to you. Resume reviews also given to you. How you can improve yourself is also given to you. It will be more than 2 hours sometime. Okay, 60 hours is just for mock interview, and after that will start giving you feedbacks and everything. So this is the best opportunity to check yourself. We have 98% of success rate. So please check this one, get a green flag from us, so that you will not able to waste this particular opportunity. Because I know most of the people go with overconfidence, they get messed up there and they're not able to say the answer properly. So don't do that. You will get only one opportunity. You need to snatch it. Okay, so link would be in the descriptions. You just head on to all the links, whatever you like to, whatever you think you need support, this will help you out. So we'll meet you with a new video soon. Share with your friends, so that your friend can also know the current going questions of Cognizant and he or she can crack easily. So thanks for watching. Give us subscribe and like this video. We'll meet you with a new video. See you all.